Now that we've worked all the way on the bottom of the legs and balancing his body, his skeletal system, we're going to start working to address the organs and the whole system from the back. So I'm going to start with thyme, and we drip it every few inches, and usually just 6-7 drops is enough to cover them, depending on the size of the horse. And then you just circle rub it in. Just to get that into the spine area. These oils are great to help with toxins, detoxifying the horse. Sometimes you will have, I'm fanning it out into the other parts of the body, just taking it from the spine and going out to the rest of the body, getting the oil spread out. Plus it just feels good to them. Yeah, feels good. So that was thyme. Now we're going to do oregano the same way and get that. And I try to go in areas where I probably didn't put the thyme. And again, just rub that in to the spine. And after I fan it, like this, feels good, helps kind of scratch their backs, but it's also spreading that oil into the abdominal part of their body, this whole part of their body here. And again, 3 times. So if they're dusty, you're going to come out like a little dust ball too. Yes, Moho. Moro. I don't know, I got that Moho in my mind, or Momo. And then also, because these are hot oils, I'm going to put a little carrier oil on him now, just in case it gets to be a little warm.